Well, the Centers for Disease Control reports that more than 140 Americans die from opioid addiction every single day.
As Mola Lenghi reports today, President Trump is taking steps to try to reduce that number.
President Trump is expected to declare a public health emergency on opioids at the White House this afternoon.
We're going to be doing a very, very important meeting sometime in the very near future on opioids.
The administration's goal is to reduce addiction to prescription pain medication and illicit drugs like heroin and fentanyl.
Given the scale of this epidemic, with millions of Americans already affected, prevention is not enough. We must also help those who are suffering from addiction by expanding access to life-saving treatment.
Today's declaration gives states the ability to shift funds away from other medical issues such as HIV, diabetes, and maternal care to provide more opioid treatments. The president's action stops short of declaring a national emergency to deal with the crisis, something he promised several times to do, even as recently as last week.
It's a very important step. And to get to that step, a lot of work has to be done, and it's time-consuming work. We're going to be doing it next week.
No additional funding will be given to deal with the crisis, but the administration says it is working with Congress to add money to the end-of-the-year budget.
Along with my colleagues, I stand ready to work with him on future proposals to provide necessary tools to protect our communities from this scourge.
The president backed an additional $45 billion to combat the opioid epidemic as part of the GOP plan to repeal and replace Obamacare, but Republican infighting killed the bill. Mola Lenghi, CBS News, the White House.